Hello, I'm Blake Coleman, and it is my privilege to introduce tonight's community hero.
Everyone has the fire, but true heroes know when to ignite the spark. And Bill and Sally Israel have been that spark for Tampa Bay. For years, they've invested their time, talent, and treasure to Gulf Coast Jewish Family and Community Services, an organization whose mission is to protect the vulnerable while helping people of all backgrounds through empowerment and strengthening families. Bill served on the board of directors for 36 years, steering the organization to continued growth and success, while Sally championed food drives and advocated for the agency's programs area-wide. And as a lasting tribute, the food pantry at Gulf Coast JFCS, which serves over 2,500 people annually, now bears their names. Every community needs caretakers. That's why you, Bill and Sally, are heroes. And now, to accept a $50,000 grant for their designated charity, Gulf Coast Jewish Family and Community Services, please welcome today's community heroes, Bill and Sally Israel.